Today I am turning these two images into an epic Ghost Rider poster. The craziest fire poster comes at the end. So let's jump into the Photoshop. I started by replacing the original background with a darker environment. Then I added a light source behind the subject and softly blended it into the background to create a stable cinematic glow. Next, I combined the spacesuit with the model's face, carefully making the edges until both elements feel like a single character. To bring out more texture, I slightly darkened the face and refined it. The original suit's logos did not match the concept, so I removed them and replaced them with the NASA branding. I also adjusted the colors on the chest details and added the American flag to complete the astronaut look. To matching the lighting, I darkened the character overall and erased part of the left side so the light could naturally warp around the face. Then I added extra background elements to increase the depth of the scene. After that, I added a chain link fence and blended it into the environment. I also added metal structures and hanging wires to make the setting feel more industrial and abundant. Since I wanted to show an electric short circuit, I added sparks and fire around the wires. Then painted soft highlights so the lighting reacted naturally across the scene. Next, I added Rocky. I have not actually seen the movie yet, but the character looked so cute. I gave him cool blue highlights and a stable glow so he matched the environment perfectly. To transform the main character, I replaced part of the face with a skull and carefully blended the edges. I also erased section of the hair so the transition looked more realistic. Then I added the Ghost Rider's chain, reshaped it with the puppet warp tool and added highlights and shadows to integrate into the composition. To create more movement, I scattered torn newspaper pieces throughout the scene, reshaped them and blended in their texture with carefully painted highlight and shadows. The blue fire became one of the main visual elements because it fit the atmosphere much better than regular flames. I added a soft glow, reflected the blue light into the face and made one eye glow to strengthen the supernatural feel. I carried the same blue lighting over the Rocky and adding highlights across the model's body so every element shared the same light source. To enrich the foreground, I added additional paper elements and modified the helmet by changing its color and darkened it. I also removed unwanted details from the center and added realistic shadows to finish the integration. Finally, I laid extra fire particles, completed the color grading, added cinematic dust, enhancing the light effects, introduced subtle smoke and placed the final logo. And that's how I transformed this character into a cinematic Ghost Rider poster. I started by adding smoky fog background, then I add the leather jacket, the model's face and a cowboy hat to create the base of the character. Next I placed the skull over the face and carefully adjusted its position until it matched the perspective. To make it blend naturally, I darkened the shadows, added highlights and softly masked the edges so the transition looked seamless. To add more depth, I added a second skull layer. I erased the lower section, deepened the eye sockets for a more intimidating expression and painted subtle highlights to bring out the bone structure. After that, I refined the shadows across the face and added soft highlights on the skull to create a stronger cinematic look. Then I added the neck bones, blending them into the leather jacket so they appeared naturally connected to the body. With the character in place, I added the fire. Instead of simply placing it on top, I masked parts of the flames inside the jacket, making it looks as if the fire was burning from inside the character. I also painted warm highlights across the skull so the flames integrated realistically with the surface. To strengthen the effect, I added a stable glow inside the skull and removed any unnecessary areas, allowing the fire to become the main focal point. Next, I enhanced the background with a soft glow to separate the character from the environment. Since chains are one of the Ghost Rider signature elements, I layered multiple chains throughout the composition, blending them at different depth to create a stronger sense of perspective. I darkened the outer edges of the images while keep the center brighter, creating a natural spotlight that the viewer's attention directly to the character. After that, I refined the overall color grading to unify every element in the scene. To make the flames feel even more powerful, I increased their glow and added realistic highlights to the leather jacket so it reflected the surrounding fire. Then I added a Ghost Rider figure in the composition, adjusted its color using labels and blended into the scene with soft masking so I did not overpower the main subject. For the final polish, I layered additional flames, fire particles, glowing embers, and dust effects to add movement and energy throughout the composition. Finally, I added the Ghost Rider title along with the model's name, completing the poster with a clean cinematic finish, and that's how I created this Ghost Rider movie poster from scratch. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this transformation, leave a like, subscribe for more cinematic poster making. If you want to see turn a cartoon movie poster into a Marvel version, then here is you can check it out.